I decided to come back and visit Old Port, Ville Marie, just to see what was happening, and I didn't expect it to be this busy. I thought it'd be kind of dead if anything, and maybe the shops would be closed and I'd just go for a quiet stroll by myself, but apparently not. It's really busy actually. Nothing's closed, everything's still going on. It's a different environment here than where I was earlier. Obviously this is much more family oriented, and some funny things was there's like an area where there were all these police officers, and I was thinking, like, what's going on here? There must be some sort of major activity. And so I asked one of the police officers, I said, hey, what's going on over here? Is there some sort of protest? Well, of course there's a freaking protest. They're French. They're protesting the vaccine, the COVID-19 vaccine, because now it's mandatory for people who work for the government and blah, 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 whatever. Some companies are making it mandatory to have the vaccine in order to get the job or whatever. Yeah, so there was that protest, and I thought, I'm not going to come around